friends, welcome to day 46 of 100 Days of Pockets. Today we're going to create a double diagonal corner pocket, and I am doing this in collaboration with Cindy A. Lewis. And Cindy has a booklet that is a digital download available through her Ko-Fi shop if you would like to order. It's got all the instructions for these pockets. All right, my friends, if you'd like to follow along, you sure can do that, and you can post your makes in our Facebook groups. For day 46, the double diagonal corner pocket, you're going to need a square or rectangular sheet of paper or a book page or scrapbook paper. You'll want glue or double-sided tape, a pair of scissors, and a journal page or a cardstock base. Cut a square 4x4 and 6x6. I wanted to let you guys know that this is not paper. This is fabric that I went ahead and I stiffened it, and I'm going to use this in lieu of paper. And so I've got this one in 4x4 and then this one in 6x6. Just so you know, I do have a video on how I stiffened the fabric, and that is in my playlist, which is called Discoveries in Mixed Media. Now we fold each diagonally in half to form a triangle, and let me make sure I want the bright side on the outside. See, these look basically the same, so I think this is the inside. So we're going to fold diagonally to create a triangle, and we're going to do that for both of them. Now you're going to cut right along that diagonal line. Now you can use your paper cutter to do this, or you can use scissors now that you have a nice crisp line that you can follow. I have this really pretty gel print page that I created a while back. I'm going to use this as my base, which then this whole sheet will get glued into a journal at some point in time. And then I'm going to take my stiffened fabric, and you'll notice I cut this very tip off here just so it didn't go over the paper, okay? That's the only reason that I did that. Now I'm going to glue this line across here, and then I'm just going to keep going this way. And I'm going to flip that over, and we're going to glue that to the paper. I'm going to grab my spatula, and I'm going to push the glue line towards the edge of the paper. And now I'm going to do the same thing with this one. This is going to go right down here, just like that. I decided I would grab some gingham ribbon and add that to the pockets. I think the color goes really nicely with this blue right here. My friend Carrie the Paper Monkey sent me this wonderful cluster, and I think the colors are perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and add this on here. And I have a cute little tag for each pocket. This one's got nice bright green, which I think plays really nicely on the green on the fabric, and then I have a smaller one, and this one has blue, which works very nicely with the blue on the fabric as well as the blue on the backing sheet. Well, friends, I'm super happy with how this pocket turned out. I hope you like it too. Be sure to go visit Cindy A. Lewis today and see what she came up with. Thanks for watching. See you soon.